Hey guys, this is Sajid here, and today we have an interesting device, the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Okay, there's been a bit of a talk around this device which caught my eye lately, so I thought to bring it to my concern to see what it packs. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Zenfone Max Pro M1 and will give you my first impressions of the device. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So here's the retail box of the Zenfone Max Pro M1 itself. You can see it comes with the warranty as mentioned. So let me just peel off this wrap around it. So here's how the box looks. I'm actually not a fan of this, but it's not that bad too. On these sides, we see the slogan, "We love photo." And on the back, we get to see the color variant we bought and some specs around. I'll just mention them in the description if you want to read them. As you can see, it comes with 5000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 636 chipset, and a 6 inches Full HD display. On the bottom, we get to see the pricing, which is rupees 13,199, but it still retails at 10,999 on Flipkart. I don't know why. Let's open it up now. So we're welcomed with the slogan again, that is, "We love photo." And inside that, we've got some useless documentation that no one reads, and a SIM ejector tool which I missed to take out. I'm sorry for that. Now here's the Zenfone Max Pro M1 covered in the wrap, as you can see. I'll keep it aside for now. Moving on, we have the typical micro USB cable, a charger, not a quick charger though, and a max box for placing your phone inside to max out the sound. We'll keep that away. Let's go to our device now. I'll take the wrapper away. And here's the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Let me just take out the sticker away. I'll just boot it up and I'll meet you at the setup.
A few moments later.
It's here and I'll set it up quickly, as fast as possible. Okay, I'm here, almost done. Agree. Okay. That's not very quick, but not bad, I guess, for now. Okay, next and I'm done. Okay, so the OS feels pretty clean and snappy though. Surprisingly, it runs on Android 8.1.0, which means it might include support for Project Treble. The display is a 5.99 inches LCD display, which is actually so good that it is hard to differentiate it from a typical LED display. This might be because of the saturated colors on the display, I don't know. The rounded corners do look good on the device and I like them very much. In the hand, the Zenfone Max Pro M1 doesn't feel that heavy, but still, the back is a fingerprint magnet, to which I don't have any problem at all. The entire footprint of the device is slightly bigger than that of a 5.5 inches form factor. I would blame the unnecessary chin on the bottom for that. Apart from it, the rear cameras too take good pictures in well-lit conditions with not that accurate colors, but fail at poor lighting without a flash too. The front camera is just filthy. The fingerprint is not very quick when you get it out of the box, but after the recent update, it is slightly better. I mean, very slightly. Make sure to note that we got Face Unlock added to the device in the recent update as well. And in my experience, it's way faster than the default fingerprint scanner. The SIM ejector tray does a really good job here. Instead of 2, we get 3 slots for SIM 1, SIM 2 and a microSD card. That's a pretty good addition if you ask me. And if you're looking for fast charging, it is not included, but I'll still test fast chargers and will deliver the results in my full review. One thing to note, it's not a competitor to Redmi Note 5 Pro. What do I mean by that sentence? Wait for the full review. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. And also you might wanna see the full review soon, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until then, goodbye guys, I'll meet you soon.